This video, I'm going to show you how you can create a community group on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to create a community group on Roblox is quite simple. Just head over to your account and log in. And once you are here, go to more. And from more, you should see this option called communities. If you tap on it, you should be able to see the current active communities or communities that were created that you can join, and you can also search for any of the communities here. However, we are interested in creating our own community. To do so, just go ahead and tap on create community. So here you have to give your community a name, a description, and also an image. If you wish, you can select from your device and it will be added. Go ahead and add the settings for your community, whether you want anyone to join or manually approve. And you have to note that by creating a community, you would be charged 100 Robux. So that's how you can create a community on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.